I used to just cry anywhere, everywhere, on anything. I stopped eating. My appetite went for a toss. I lost all my hair. I lost weight. I was diagnosed with depression. And healing is not easy. You just can't move on. But I feel why love marriages are failing is we got into relationships sooner.
Yeah.
And we think
All right, Incompletely Yours Season 2. My name is Divya and मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि जो सीजन 1 है वो एक पर्सनल हीलिंग का तो काम किया ही था, बट मुझे एक नई दुनिया दिखाई थी. दुनिया ऐसी कि कई बार जब लगता है दैट यू नो आई वेंट थ्रू अ रियली बैड टाइम, यू मीट पीपल एंड यू रियलाइज नो इट वाज़न्ट सो बैड. देन यू रियलाइज कि ग्रैटिट्यूड कितना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि लोग आपको अपनी जर्नी से वो सिखाते जाते हैं. फिर आप रियलाइज़ करते हो दैट हम सब जो कहीं ना कहीं लोज को हिट करते हैं वो वापस उठे हैं, एंड मे बी दोज जर्नीज आर इंस्पायरिंग. एंड इसीलिए सीजन 2, बिकॉज यू रोट, बिकॉज यू शेयर्ड, एंड इसीलिए आई केयर्ड, ब्रिंगिंग इन स्टोरीज ऑफ पीपल जिनकी जर्नी में शायद आप खुद को ढूंढ सको. वही लाइफ है. मेरे साथ आज अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल मॉम, सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर, चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, तानिया मेहरा. वेलकम.
thank you so much.
एंड शी हैज़ अ
having me.
ब्रिलियंट पेज, टैंजी मॉमी.
Yes.
तो सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर पहले कि चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट पहले? How has that journey been like before we jump on to the other things?
So I still don't call myself a social media influencer.
Really?
Yeah. And I think we should not also. Like, we are only content creators, I feel. And it's not right for us to call ourselves influencers because people can call us that. I
Yes.
can't call myself as an influencer.
I love it. I love the fact. I love it that आपने वो चीज़ वैसे ही बोली है जैसे कहनी चाहिए. Content बनाओ, अच्छा content बनाओ, and content is fantastic. That's how we actually met, because one of your reels came on my feed, and I was like, ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है कोई मेरा दिल जो है ना वो पढ़ रहा है. So thank you for making content that really touches heart. वो बहुत ज़रूरी है आज के टाइम पे.
Yes, because I think everything has become so made up. People look for reality and things they can relate to. And when I started, I mean, if you see my old reels, agar aap dekhoge, I'm in my night suit, wearing the same night suit every day. My hair are all over the place, no editing, nothing, light aa rahi hai, nahi aa rahi, doesn't matter. I think people have, that is why connected to me, because that's how people stay at home, right?
Yeah,
I mean, they have
yeah.
one favorite night suit which they wear
Every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, I still have that one T-shirt of mine. Now people tell me that, you know, you should buy more. I was like, no, yeah, I like this. मैं क्या करूँ? I cannot change this T-shirt.
No, but that is true, क्योंकि इतना वास्ट हो गया है सोशल मीडिया. आई मीन even when I started doing Incompletely Yours, मुझे पिछले साल ये नहीं पता कि इसको कैसे लोग रिसीव करेंगे, क्या लोग सुनना चाहेंगे. But then, you know, I realized that when you start making content from your heart, अपने दिल से, क्योंकि वो आपको ठीक लग रहा है और क्योंकि आप you believe in it, you also find people who resonate with the same thoughts, and उस तरह से वो journey बनती जाती है. But Tanya, Incompletely Yours is my little world where I think लोगों ने आके अपनी जर्नी बताई है. सो यू नो आई स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन दैट आई आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, ताकि हम इस बात का वो प्रिमाइस है वो सेट कर सकें. हमारी जब शादी होती है, एंड एज अ वुमन आई कैन से, हमारे मन में एक नोशन होता है ऑफ मैरिज,
Right.
एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर डिवोर्स हो जाता है, अगर दैट इज़ हाउ गॉड्स प्लान्ड इट फॉर अस, फिर हमारा एक नज़रिया होता है कि शादी एग्जैक्टली होती क्या है. हाउ हैज़ इट चेंज फॉर यू, एंड व्हाट वाज इट बिफोर यू रियली गॉट मैरिड?
So for me, marriage was like every girl has that dream of
Yeah.
that perfect life, a full jintak marriage with all the jing bang, that perfect lehenga, and you know, all those functions, happy family going for those parties. So I got married when I was 24, and I was extremely happy. It was like a life goal for me
Yeah.
to get married.
Yeah.
And I think I was the first one out of my friends group to get married. But I think over the years, marriage is just another ball game. And once you enter that phase, and coming from me, because I was in a love marriage, so I knew the person I was with.
Yeah.
I had dated him. Despite that, when you get married and you start living with the person, things change 360 degree, I feel. You do not know a person until you live with them. Until you live with their family. You know, meeting for 2-3 hours is very different to actually staying with them, knowing the person inside out. And I think that is where everything started. I mean, my dream started crumbling. I'm not saying that it is good or bad, but it didn't match the Bollywood dream
Yeah.
of marriage. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now I think after my divorce, marriage, how I look at it is that I think it is just not looking for that perfect partner or having that lovey-dovey romantic,
Yeah.
setup at home. I think it is about companionship.
Yeah.
Finding the right partner, very, very important, and someone who can complement you and who doesn't define you. You still need to be yourself.
Yes. I think I know what you're saying. You know, suddenly you start valuing yourself, जो शायद लगता है कि एक टाइम पे नहीं था, because you
Yeah.
just want that perfect thing or a perfect life. हम वो भूल जाते हैं कि हम क्या है उसमें.
Exactly. So for me, my ex-husband was my everything. My
Yeah.
life revolved around him. Everything. I had even stopped becoming so social, going out with my friends because I was so obsessed, for making that special. But I think after divorce, and now that people ask me, when are you getting remarried? Do you have plans? I think I'm very clear now what I want, what I don't want. And
Yeah.
I also know कि कैसे होगा because I've done it. And I'm sure you also know that. So now I want someone who can actually understand me, be there for me emotionally.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything else, your looks, your money, everything goes for a toss. If there's no one to sit with you and discuss how you're feeling.
I think that is so true. We say कि आपको क्या चाहिए, मुझे लगता है I want somebody I can call home. मतलब वो कहते हैं ना अपने घर आगे कंप्लीट फीलिंग आती है जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि आई एम सेफ. आई वांट दैट पर्सन टू बी माय होम और आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग एल्स. इट्स दैट क्लियर नाउ इन माय हेड.
Yes. So,
एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू मेंशन अबाउट दैट फैमिली बिट, ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी सवाल है बट इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ क्योंकि आजकल क्या हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द वे थिंग्स हैव बीन ऑल्सो, कई लोगों के दिमाग में नोशन हो चुका है कि लड़कियों को डिवोर्स चाहिए एलिमनी के लिए. बट पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट इफ यूर विद समबडी फॉर ईयर्स, एंड लव मैरिजेस हैं, इवन अरेंज मैरिजेस में कई बार 2-2 साल 3-3 साल पहले डेटिंग होती है, फिर शादी होती है. वी गिव अ प्राइम ऑफ आवर लाइफ. हम अपने ज़िंदगी के यूथ के 10-10 साल 8-8 साल दे देते हैं. Certainly money will never ever compensate the gone years, the moments, the dreams. लव मैरिजेस कैसे फेल हो रही है जब लोग पूछते हैं, क्या बोलेंगे उसको? हाउ कैन लव मैरिजेस फेल?
So I had a love marriage and I dated for 7 years and then we got married. And I was 100% sure that he's the one. And actually I was even till the last day that we were together. But I feel why love marriages are failing is our generation, I think, we got into relationships sooner.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got blinded by love because that age group, 20s, are something where we're okay to adjust, we're flexible. And we think that, especially women, I think that pressure that we have on ourselves, that हमें किसी का घर बनाना है.
Yeah.
Right? हमें घर बसाना है, फिर हमें बच्चा करना है. And we have to keep the whole family happy. I think that comes to us traditionally only. Our Indian values are only like that. And that pressure then in your 20s when you want to get out of your house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, especially women. They want that freedom that we want to go out, हमारा अपना घर होगा. Then you get a man in your life. And then you're willing to do anything for him. So that time you do everything. But with years, with age, with situations, maturity, you suddenly one day start feeling that where am I in all of this?
Yeah.
I mean, isn't this also selfish?
Yes.
And I think that realization comes later. When, you've kind of saturated.
That's true.
And that is when it hits. And that is when we start questioning everything. And that love marriage, that love just goes away.
Yeah.
In fact, I have seen arranged marriages are more successful. Because when two people come together, they're brand new.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So they have so much to discover, to explore, that those first 4-5 years, which actually sets the foundation, go on very nicely.
Yeah.
Whereas in love marriages, like cases like mine, I was 18 when I started dating. So, you've not seen the world, you've not worked, your career has not been made. So you're very flexible. And with age, with years, you want something else.
That's true.
The other person wants something else, but now you're stuck.
Yeah.
Then you start fighting. So I don't blame anyone for where I am today. It was my decision all along. But I wouldn't have done it any other way also.
I think that is how it is, right? And
Yeah.
I really like that fact कि एक दिन when it strikes ना कि where am I in all of this, वो बहुत important point होता है. वो depend करता है कि हमारी journeys में कब आया है. और अगर वो क्वेश्चन मन में आ रहा है ना कि इस पूरे रिलेशनशिप में मैं कहाँ हूँ, first talk to each other, try talking, try building that communication. And I've always been saying in the podcast also that, you know, make your marriages work. Communicate, and as much as you can communicate. But even if that's not working, then we need to figure out कि हम कहाँ हैं. You're also a child nutritionist. I have questions on nutrition, but we'll come to that later. A single mom,
Yes.
या single parent जिसे कह सकते हैं. How difficult it is, Tanya, and you have a very young daughter. How difficult or how easy is it?
Honestly, I've always done it alone, majorly. Even though I did get divorced when she was 2 years, even before that, I was the primary caregiver, like the primary pro max, right? So I was used to it. But it is very tough because all the emotional burden is also on me.
Yeah.
Physical is okay. One can manage. I'm still young. I don't mind it. But emotionally, because सारे decisions मुझे ही लेने हैं.
Yeah.
There is no one to correct me or support me. So if I do something wrong, it can have an impact on my child.
Yes.
But there's no one to correct me. That is, I think, the biggest pressure that I have. Then, obviously, you know, managing the entire house, managing my work, managing my travel, that becomes difficult because, you know, when I have to suddenly travel, किसके पास छोड़ के जाऊँ? My parents don't live in the same city. So I do have helps at home. But you can only rely on your helps this
Yeah.
much, right?
Yeah.
They can't be family. You can't go with an empty mind. You're always thinking.
Yeah.
Then I always have this guilt that I have to be there for her twice. Like one as a mother, one as a father.
Yeah.
I have to be strict also, but I have to be very loving also.
Yeah.
So that double pressure is always there. I'm always thinking at the end of the day that आज मैं ये better कर सकती थी. I did not do this for her. She must be thinking I'm a bad parent. So,
Yeah.
you know, I don't have that freedom कि today I'm actually tired. Then I'll tell someone कि ठीक है, तुम पढ़ा दो book और तुम ये कर लो. So there are days,
Yeah.
right, when you're not in the mood, you have had a very long day, or you've just had you've cried, or you're not in a good mood, whatever. And then the child comes very happily and she wants to read a book, and she wants to read the book again and again and again.
Yeah.
So that's irritating, right, as an
Yeah.
adult.
Yeah.
But I have no option. And then, I don't know, I mean, some days it becomes very tough. Some days I'm very proud of myself that I could manage it all. And, you know, at the end of the day, say, oh, wow, I actually did all of this.
Yes.
But yes, it's tough, especially now when she's growing up and she understands her surroundings. She understands what a mother and a father is. She sometimes asks me also. But she just asked me the question that, where is my papa?
Yeah.
And then she doesn't wait for me to give the answer.
Really?
Yeah, she will then say that you are my mama, you are my papa, because that's what I've been telling her. So it's like she's understood, but of course she's a kid, and when she looks at others, she does feel. In fact, when I go for these parent-teacher meets or functions in school, I feel very deprived. You know, I really feel bad. Those are my worst days, honestly, because I see, you know, that the parents being there and I'm alone.
Yeah.
I still remember there's this incident, Divya. Noor was getting admitted into formal school, nursery. So I had to go for admission, buying uniform and some art files or whatever. So there was a huge long line and there were different tables, setups. So everyone, you know, one person was standing in one line, the other was in the other line. And those bags were really huge. That day I felt that I was alone.
Yeah.
Because I did not know a lot of people there. And I first had to stand in one line. My hands were full. I could not ask anyone else to get it for me. Then slowly I did it. But I was feeling so bad at the end of it that I went into the washroom and I actually cried. Because I had no help. And I was like, I have to do this the entire life. Okay, this is just admission.
Yeah.
So this is not happening. And every time I go for any annual day or whatever, I'm always alone. And, you know, I do have friends now who support me. They don't let me feel. But you do feel, right?
Yeah, I mean, there are certain things which, like you use the word, you're deprived of. And it hits you. वो चीज़ उस टाइम पे वो एक्टिव हो जाती है. Loneliness, like I think when we were discussing of the thing also when I'd written that point to you कि loneliness एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो घूमते फिरते आ जाती है. आप नहीं भी चाहते हो. You have friends, your family, you have a child, but वो एक खालीपन कुछ points पे realize होता है कि वो है. It just stays there. I mean, you don't want it to be there, but it's there.
Yeah. So
Hera?
it has been hard. I'm still learning, I think. I'm getting better with time. And now things don't affect me as much as they used to. But yes, like you said, वो हमेशा रहता है. You don't choose it. And there are lots of instances on birthday parties, on her own birthday,
Yeah.
when, you know, I'm cutting the cake with her and I just feel ki something is missing.
Yeah. Yeah.
And, but I can't force it, right?
Yeah.
I can't help it. So I can give her the best of me and I'm trying very hard to do that. But I credit my life to her. I swear I wouldn't have survived if she wouldn't have been in my life.
I think that's fantastic. और वो मेरी मम्मी बोलती है कि अगर बेटी होती है, which I think my mom's right, you already have a best friend in your life. Something that nobody can take away from you. So that stays. एक question है, of course, because you've spoken so much. कई लोग देखते हैं तानिया the content creator, तानिया on the reels. फिर ये जो mothers के ऊपर एक undue unnecessary pressure है कि मम्मी हो तो strong हो, strong mother, super woman. I don't like it because when I see my mom, I'm like, super woman मत बनो यार. You're as vulnerable some days, you know.
Right.
कभी कभी बहुत प्रेशर भी फील होता है, like you know when you sit and you're like okay now I have to do this also, this also, this also. Are those days when you just want to switch off everything and be not the superwoman or not the strong?
Of course, I mean, I am also a human being at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Forget kid or no kid here. But I also some days want my space. Like मुझे TV देखना है बिना इंटरप्शन के, कि कोई बार बार आके ये नहीं बोल रहा मम्मा अब ये चाहिए, अब ड्राइंग चेक करो, अब ये करो, राइट? देन आई वॉन्ट टू गो ऑन हॉलीडे एंड जस्ट चिल. मुझे सुबह उठ के फिगर आउट नहीं करना कि अब दूध कहाँ से आ रहा है और ब्रेकफास्ट कहाँ से आ रहा है, यू नो. So in fact, I dread holidays. कि हाय इतनी पैकिंग करनी पड़ेगी because you have to carry everything. You never know, कुछ गंदा हो जाए. You know, with us we can manage.
Yeah.
But for her, I don't want her to like suffer or whatever, manage. So of course I want my own space. Like I said, the last 2 years were really difficult for me because almost every night I used to cry really badly and I just wanted कि मैं चुपचाप सो जाऊँ. वो अलग बातें नींद नहीं आती थी. But then on top of that, you know, answering those questions, story time, bed time, बहुत difficult होता था. And it was so difficult to be happy, you know, despite all of this. So difficult not to show her what's happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, but obviously I couldn't achieve it 100%. उसको eventually समझ आने लग गया that okay, today mama's crying. Obviously, so she sleeps with me, we co-sleep. And in fact, she sleeps on my shoulder. तो उसको सब समझ आती है. And now she's become such an emotionally sensitive girl and I'm so proud of that because, you know, if I'm not feeling okay and I'm about to cry, she understands and she'll suddenly get up in the middle of the night and she's just 4. And she'll say, what happened, mama? What happened, mama? Are you okay? And I've seen her do this with other friends also of her own age, where someone's crying because she took, you know, their toffee or whatever. So she'll go and return back. कि ठीक है, तुम रो मत, just ले लो. So she understands that. And for some reason, she also understands कि जब मम्मा रो रही है तो मुझे चुप रहना है.
Wow.
So yeah, so she's learned all of this. And yes, it's not fair to her. But I think in the long run, I did this for her.
I think
and she'll
that's
understand.
how it is. That is how it is. And I think mothers know it best. और मुझे लगता है वो जो हम बार बार बोलते हैं ना कि अपने लिए जब हम बोलते हैं कि लड़कियों की कंडीशनिंग ऐसी है कि हमारा थ्रेशोल्ड ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज सो हाई, हमारा टॉलरेंस बहुत हाई है. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड. यू नो, आप अपने बच्चे को देख सकते हो इमोशनली सेंसिटिव राइट एट द गो.
Right.
और वो सिर्फ बढ़ता ही है. यू नो, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन लाइक यू मेंशन. हर रात रोने वाली जब आपने बात बोली है, बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है. हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ गोज फॉर अ टॉस. मेन एंड वुमेन अलाइक, अलग अलग सिचुएशन, अलग अलग केसेस. कैसे कोप अप किया था इनिशियली तानिया व्हेन you know when things happened? What did you do for yourself to sort of, you know, get out of it or get back to life? क्योंकि काम करने का मेरा तो बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता था. Things are different now, but yeah.
So I have a very different story. In fact, took me 2 years to stop crying and start sleeping. But my savior was work. you will not believe it, but during my divorce मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा काम मिला है.
Same here.
Yeah, it's like God's way of
Yeah.
giving you another outlet where you can invest your time and energy. But I've said this before also that I had days when I was crying just before my shoots. And मैं यहाँ रो रही हूँ, फिर मैं आई हूँ. Suddenly, I used to shoot one scene, go back. My videographers knew, my photographers knew क्या हो रहा है. I was putting आलू का वो slices on my face कि ये
Puff now.
हाँ, क्योंकि दिखता था वो.
Yeah.
And but I continued to work. I never stopped, never ever took a break. In fact, I started posting more because और कुछ करने को नहीं था. And मेरे को भी I used to feel empty. My savior initially was music. Full day there was music in my house, in my car. I bought Alexa, I bought the Apple ka HomePod. Full on music. The moment the music used to stop, I used to start feeling
Nervous.
surely, that sinking feeling.
Yeah.
And then anxiety started with me. I actually went through a lot. I lost like a major part of my hair. I had made a reel on this also. My entire hair यहाँ का. I developed alopecia.
Yeah, no, all right.
And this whole chunk, and I had long hair. It just fell off, धीरे धीरे करके. So
Was this stress induced?
yeah, so that was further this added to all of this. And then I had a very weird issue, so every morning when I used to wake up, मैं बहुत कम सोती थी, 3-4 घंटे लाइप्स. My jaw, I couldn't open my mouth. It used to be cramped. And I couldn't understand कि क्यों, right? Took a lot of muscle relaxants, medication, ये पूरी nerve massage कर ली, सब कर ली. Then later, when I consulted a psychologist, I got to know that this is a very common thing when you're in depression. Because at night, when you're not sleeping well, you tend to clench your teeth like
Yeah.
this. And I used to do that so often that सुबह उठ के मेरा ये पूरा जैम हो जाता था.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I never used to get to know कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ. So when I went to them, they were like, this is very normal.
Yeah.
That means you need to work on your sleep. You're not getting your sleep. You need to calm down your anxiety. So this happened with me. And I used to just cry anywhere, everywhere, on anything. I stopped eating. My appetite went for a toss. I lost all my hair. I lost weight. And alongside, my immunity crashed like how?
Oh man, I last year my immunity went for a toss and I just couldn't tell anybody that I have no idea what is going on in my body.
Yes, and I was the kind of person जिसको कभी cold cough नहीं हुआ life में. In fact, during COVID also, I was the best, and I used to, in fact, boast कि देखो मेरी कितनी अच्छी immunity है that मेरे को कभी नहीं होता. And during this time, every 15 days, such a bad cold cough, every 15 days, I couldn't breathe. And it was crazy. And still it's there. I've not been able to recoup that. अभी भी है, ये चल रहा है.
Yeah.
The moment I'm out, कुछ weather change होता है, I'm down with, viral or whatever. That is still there. So all this did happen with me. I was diagnosed with depression. So I took therapy. I did a lot. But I think what really helped me was my friends. I did develop like 2-3 really close friendships during this time. And it was like a very pure friendship with no asks. Like they went all out of the way.
Wow. Yeah.
Just for me. And all of them have kids. So I understand that they also have responsibilities. But the way they came out to help me, because my family wasn't here. So I was alone. I live alone with Noor, with my helps, and with zero help, outside help. So they understood each and everything I was going through. Like they could just know when they used to see me every morning. So they're my neighbors, sort of. So कि आज कुछ दिक्कत है. So checking on me, calling me every 1 hour. What are you doing? Just taking like a whole राउंड अप
Yeah.
ऑफ द डे कि क्या
Yeah.
करा, एंड देन ऑलवेज बीइंग अवेलेबल रात को भी कि 2 बज रहे हैं 3 बज रहे हैं. आई रिमेंबर कॉलिंग हर माई फ्रेंड एट 2 o'clock की, एंड आई एम क्राइंग लाइक क्रेजी, एंड शी इज लाइक मैं आ जाऊँ ना. और मुझे इतना बुरा लगता था कि मैं कैसे बुला लूँ यार. शी ऑल्सो हैज़ किड्स, अ
Yeah,
फैमिली.
yeah.
I used to feel so indebted. But the day I realized that, okay, she's my anchor now, that is when I started kind of healing. And I think I just had to break my old patterns. I had to stop doing what I had always done.
Absolutely.
That is what healed me, I think. For 2 years, I couldn't do it.
I was about to ask you because one of the reels that I really saw on Tanya's page, which really has been received very well, is on gratitude. Gratitude has been my word for living and survival. मैं बड़ी spiritual हूँ वैसे,
अच्छा.
but मुझे लगता है शुक्रगुजार होना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में. हर सेकंड आप बच जाते हो बहुत सारी नेगेटिविटी से. The moment you realize, okay, like I'm thankful for this conversation today, and I think this is going to be my gratitude journal entry for like a very very long time. But what exactly is gratitude? अगर मैं पूछूँ तानिया, मतलब for हम लोगों को अगर समझा सके, how has it worked for you?
So, gratitude is being in the moment where you are, and then living it and actually giving back to it by just acknowledging it.
Yeah.
You just have to acknowledge something, appreciate something.
Yeah.
What has been things that are being given to you for free, जो हम सोचते भी नहीं हैं. Luxury of, shopping whenever we want. Luxury of eating food, luxury of breathing, luxury of staying in societies, luxury of Blinkit, Zepto.
Everything.
Everything. And I, not spiritual at all, unlike you, but after my divorce, I think when people go to their lowest, they find something to put their faith in.
Yeah.
Because वही उनको ऊपर खींच सकता है.
Absolutely.
For some people, it is some Guruji, it is Bhagwan, it is idol worship. For me, what really drew me towards it was gratitude, manifestation. And a friend of mine actually introduced me to it when I was just going through, just gotten out of my final signing. And it just changed my life. I was wondering why I didn't know about it earlier.
Yeah.
And so many of my actions have been because of me.
That's so true.
Yeah, like everything that I've done or I've gone through, I've manifested it because I have A, not been grateful for what I have. B, I have thought about negative things so much
That they happened.
that they happened.
I agree.
Yeah.
आप जो सोचते हो वो होता है. Somebody told me कि if you would just believe in the fact कि ये नहीं चल रहा या ये नहीं चलेगा,
तो वो
वो
नहीं
सच में
चलेगा.
नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ,
And that happens. और अगर हमने सोचा है कि कुछ चलाना है, maybe we'll try our level best. So what you think is what universe is hearing. मैंने भी ये बात मान ली. I think हम लोग 2 लोग बहुत सारे experiences के बाद ये बोल रहे हैं. I also saw another reel and I would want to, मैं सोच रही थी शो के एंड पे पूछूंगी, but let me just ask because it's in my head. अगर मैं ये बोलूँ कुछ चीज़ें जो लोग डिवोर्स के बारे में नहीं समझते हैं, सिर्फ अजम्पशन लगाने के लिए सोशल मीडिया बैठा हुआ है और दुनिया एज सोसाइटी भी जज करती है. आई एम श्योर व्हेन यू आल्सो डिसाइडेड टू मूव ऑन इन लाइफ विद योर डॉटर, अपने रिलेटिव्स और अपनी सोसाइटी ही शुरू करती है सबसे पहले assumptions. But what are the things that you think people probably don't know that can, that people go through in their divorces, during their divorces or after their divorces, जो लोग शायद नहीं समझते?
So I think people are very judgmental towards women. वो तो वैसे ही है, पर डिवोर्स में तो ज़्यादा. So सबसे पहले तो सारी गलती लड़की की होती है.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a universal इंडिया का रूल
Yeah.
कि सारी गलती लड़की की है. B, हमें बहुत सारी एलिमनी मिलती है और ये बहुत इजी होता है कि हम जाते हैं, हम मांगते हैं, हमें मिल जाती है, राइट? सो दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. एंड just to clarify and tell to the audience that not all divorce cases have an alimony
Yeah.
that is given or exchanged also.
Yeah.
Then people think बच्चा है तो मेंटेनेंस मिल रही होगी महीने की. ये भी this is not true. Once again, this is not mandatory.
Yeah.
Then people think that divorce इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि जो लड़की है either it is her fault or she was with the guy just to get money. So I recently purchased a car after 2 years after my divorce, and all from my own hard work. And my followers have seen this journey. And I just put a reel to celebrate my achievement. And I never get any trolling because my community is so strong.
It was very nice.
They're really with me, and 92% of them are women, moms. And that reel went viral.
Wow.
And for all the wrong reasons, because I'm only been questioned saying that ये तो एलिमनी से खरीदी है.
हाँ, हम खुद अपने पैसे नहीं लगाते ना.
और मैं को अगर एलिमनी से खरीदनी थी तो मैं 2 साल बाद क्यों खरीदूंगी?
मैं तभी लेती.
Exactly. Then it is full of questioning that लड़कियां शादी इसलिए करती हैं. हमने ये एक बिजनेस बनाया है. Who gets married to get divorced?
Is my question every day.
Yeah, but divorce is really hard. It is so not easy. So when I took this decision of getting into this, I also thought कि इतना मुश्किल नहीं होगा. But I later realized that, things are not in your control. It's like you don't know who you are.
Yes.
Suddenly, and it hits you one day. And healing is not easy. You just can't move on. I used to cry every night. It had become so difficult for me to contain myself that I had started feeling claustrophobic. I had developed claustrophobia. I still remember I had gone for an event. I was standing with, 200 people, everyone enjoying in Goa. And I was with my best friend also. I had gone for her. I thought break ho jayega, sab ho jayega. But suddenly something happened. A thought popped into my head. I started getting claustrophobic. And I'm in the open, on the beach, with so many people enjoying.
And you can't breathe.
And I can't breathe.
Yeah.
I felt alone and I did not know how to go back to my house because flight mein jana tha. Or flight is again closed. And I was so scared कि मैं वापस कैसे जाऊँगी घर. And I could not go in lifts during these 2 years. I was just scared to, travel in flights. I had to just tell people कि थोड़ा दूर रहो मेरे से. Don't stand so close to me.
Oh God, it feels so mean. Yes.
Yes, so this just came up, all of this.
Yeah.
And, while showering in your bathroom, in your own washroom, when the water falls on you,
Yeah.
you just feel claustrophobic. And I would cry for hours and hours and just sit inside my washroom. And I would just want कि कोई मुझे disturb ना करे, but मेरे पास वो option ही नहीं था. Like I had to go for school pickup, so मुझे
जाना ही
था. And the day I couldn't go, like there was, I think, one day I remember, I just couldn't wake up in the morning. I was in a very bad state. And I told my nanny कि तू जाके नीचे छोड़ आज school bus के लिए. And my friend who lives next to me, who's my best friend, who's helped me through all of this, she got scared कि ये क्यों नहीं आई, ऐसा क्या हो गया. Immediately she comes to my house कि she opened my door and she sat with me and she had a very important meeting to go to. And I felt कि यार मैंने ऐसा क्या किया जो मुझे ऐसे लोग मिले हैं और मैं अपनी सब कुछ किसी को दे रही हूँ who doesn't even care. So it is a good thing. I think it was supposed to happen to teach me a lesson.
Yeah, moment of awakening happens exactly when you don't expect it to.
Yeah, and I was like, when there are people who care about me, why am I, obsessing and crying over someone जो गया. So first, initially when I used to cry, मेरा only reaction ये होता था कि चुप होना है.
हाँ, मुझे strong होना है.
हाँ, चुप होना है. बस जो क्यों रो रहे हो नहीं पता. चुप होना है. You have to go out, do your thing in the day.
Yeah.
But I think now I've realized that if I'm feeling sad, I start asking myself, why am I feeling sad? And I start feeling it, I start thinking about it.
Yeah.
And then eventually, 1-2 दिन बाद, I'm okay. Yes, but your Google photos, they'll come one day, memory from 2012.
Oh, yes.
And the worst part with me was, I was with my ex since 2010.
Yeah, you
and that's when all of this came.
Childhood to youth. It's
that. Like Instagram came that time and all of this came into picture. Social media came. And so all my pictures were only with him.
Yeah.
I was madly in love. And all my entire family, my friend circle, they knew about it. So when I did this delete, that mega delete of pictures, I had no pictures left of mine. 0 pictures and I felt so bad कि मैंने अपने लिए कुछ करा ही नहीं. I made no memories for myself. It was only about him. And, you know, that is, I think, a very sad part. That I always think ki I'm scrolling back, and after 2015, my pictures get over because I deleted all of them.
It's all right. You're making a brilliant page for yourself and you're building memories, which is important and which is very brave also. I mean, I hate using the word strong for women all the time now because I realize हमारे ऊपर ना undue pressure होता है strong सुन के. But what you're doing is brave because going through all of this and building up content, मतलब मैं बोल सकती हूँ ये वो content है which you should consume. It's not easy. But I want to ask you a question nutrition पे because you're a child nutritionist. मैंने भी हाल फिलहाल में किताब पढ़ी, मैं एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री भी देख रही थी नेटफ्लिक्स पे एंड उसका एक रीज़न ये था लास्ट ईयर मुझे गट इश्यूज बहुत हुए हैं. एवरी फ्यू मंथ्स आई एंडेड अप इन द हॉस्पिटल लास्ट ईयर क्योंकि गट इतना वीक हो गया था एंड आई रियलाइज मे बी बिकॉज उस टाइम पे भी आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू अ ग्रीफ फेज ऑफ लूजिंग अ वेरी लव्ड वन. ये सच में होता है कि जब हम ग्रीफ में होते हैं, डिवोर्सेस के टाइम, ब्रेकअप्स के टाइम, हमारा पूरा गट हिल जाता है, हमारा पेट खराब होना, कोल्ड होना, ये बहुत फ्रीक्वेंट हो जाता है.
Of course. So our brain is connected to our gut, right? Our gut is connected to our immunity. Our core immunity lies in our gut. इसलिए that is why आजकल I think everyone is paying so much focus on probiotics. Because COVID हुआ, सब कुछ हुआ, सब immunity को इधर attack करता है, right?
Yeah.
And when we go through anything mentally, it affects physically. It is a very normal thing and it happened with me. I saw it myself, my hair came out, I lost weight, I stopped eating, मेरा jaw में problem हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया, immunity impact हो गई. So I think this is very normal and I've spoken to so many people regarding this because your brain gives that signal to your gut, right?
Yeah.
And because you stop taking care of yourself, your immunity gets impacted. And for some reason, for me, I've never been able to go back to that level which I had because somewhere I think somewhere down this healing process, there's more room
Yeah.
to heal. Yeah.
There's always
more room and there are so many pent up issues. So it's very important to take care of your mental health.
That's
One
true.
thing I also did, so I'll tell you this is a very personal experience. पता नहीं लोग relate कर पाएंगे या नहीं, but I've been conscious about my weight, how I look. And I've been into fitness since a very long time. I'm also a yoga instructor, by the way, certified.
Wow.
So, but when I was in my marriage, I was not confident about sometimes giving into my cravings. You know, I was not confident. मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लगता था that, you know, what if I eat this and I get fat and he won't like me anymore? You know, always trying to be the best version of myself.
Yeah.
But deep down, I used to love eating meetha. Okay, like chocolate, cake, like desserts. And not Indian, but Western.
Yeah.
And मुझे डर लगता था. मैं कभी खाती नहीं थी. You know, I used to always stay away. एक चम्मच खा लिया. I used to make a big issue out of it. Oh, मैंने ऐसा खा लिया, अब तो मैं ये हो जाऊंगी, वो हो जाऊंगी. So people stopped offering me only and everything. But after my divorce, when my friends and people I met introduced me, and मेरे पास कोई judgment ही नहीं थी. I could eat, and I realized कि मैं खाकर भी तो I can still maintain. मुझे वो पता ही नहीं था.
It's all in the head, no?
Yeah, so it was all in my head. And now I eat meetha, like whenever I want to. And you know, another thing I used to do before, so like I said, he used to travel a lot. तो मैं wait करती थी कि वो आएगा, तो हम ये experience करेंगे, या तब हम बाहर से order करेंगे, या तब मैं ये खाऊंगी. And I would just wait. So वो, like I said, कि you attach certain experiences to your happiness.
Yeah.
Like for you maybe, or for someone, it may be food.
Yeah.
So I had attached all of this to him,
Yeah.
including, you know, going out for movies or going out to the mall. और मुझे इतना time लगा to understand कि मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये मैं खुद के लिए भी कर सकती हूँ when I want it.
खुद तो था ही नहीं ना कभी. The whole idea of मैं क्या चाहती हूँ, कर सकती हूँ, तो
कभी था ही नहीं. और मुझे ये अब समझ आया है कि that is the reason why I was not happy.
Yeah.
Because I was never my own priority.
Because you're always finding happiness in others. And I think now when I read all of those things in books, it does make sense. क्योंकि तब ऐसा लगता है ये तो ज्ञान है.
Exactly.
अब आप जीते हो, फिर आप हर उस किताब में जहाँ line पढ़ी है that happiness is always here. You need to be happy here and then happiness happens.
Yeah, so now days when I want to eat like an ice cream,
I eat it.
I eat it.
Yeah.
I order it. I don't wait. Right? And it just gives me so much freedom. I just feel so free.
Yeah.
कि you know, I can now make the decision on my own. मेरे को
Yeah.
wait नहीं करना. You know, there are days when you want to eat on a Friday, but he's coming on a Monday.
But you'll wait.
But I'll wait कि वो आएगा तभी खाऊंगी, even though मन नहीं हो उस दिन.
हाँ.
But वो मन बना रखा था कि करेंगे. But अब it's so much free. So I think the ultimate underlying idea is that until you love yourself, you cannot expect that love to come back to you.
That is true.
Which is the law of the universe. कि जो आप दोगे वो आपको मिलेगा. So आप अपने आप को ही नहीं दे रहे, then how do you expect the other person to love you?
Absolutely. And I think what personally this has taught me, my journey has taught me, is the fact that I really need to value myself. I have
Yeah.
always undervalued myself in every relation, not just my marriage. I think even if there was a relationship before that, I always thought that I am the second person. And I still, now I question myself, bhaiya aisi kaun si kami thi tere andar that you kept looking for that, you know, for
Yeah.
somebody's validation also. So I think that has changed thoda late आया life में, but that's okay.
हाँ, मुझे भी थोड़ा बाद में समझ आया ये that you know you should always be your first priority. आप खुश हो तभी तो the person will see ना, he will also respect you, because respect चली जाती है I think after getting married, because you know it just takes a minute to lose that respect.
Yeah.
एक दिन कुछ हो गया, you say okay, you're not putting yourself first, and then it's gone.
Yeah.
It's never coming back. And I think that is with anything. जब आप एक बार कुछ कर देते हो, दूसरी बार करना बहुत easy होता है.
Disrespect especially.
Yes. And वो second time आप भी disrespect ले लेते हो, सोच के कि चलो ठीक है फिर से ठीक हो जाएगा, और बंदा भी आगे वाला कर देता है कि पिछली बार भी तो कुछ नहीं हुआ था.
But I love the fact that you're building a community, and I really hope and I really wish that community gets stronger. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम कहीं भी अगर एक कम्युनिटी है जहाँ म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट है, इरिस्पेक्टिव कि वो क्या काम कर रहे हैं या किस तरह से रिलेट करते हैं, दैट सेव सो मच. फाइनल क्वेश्चन, इफ यू कुड चेंज समथिंग टुडे लुकिंग बैक, कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि काश ये थोड़ा अलग होता, और आई कुड हैव मेड समथिंग स्लाइटली डिफरेंट?
Yes. I should not have ignored the red flags. I knew about them, but being in love, I just ignored them, thinking कि I will solve them. You can't change people. You can't, and you should not ignore even the teeniest of the red flags. And I just wish कि मैंने I would have just paused and thought about it. Like I said, कि मैं वो नहीं करती थी. वो मैंने नहीं करा. And now I think I will never do that mistake again. And there is no rush for me to get remarried or whatever.
Yeah.
But I cannot do that. I can't go through that again. It was the worst of my life. And I did it all alone, which was even worse.
Yeah.
But I'm so proud of myself that I'm still here and I'm going towards something higher only and not lower. Because low ke baad high hi aata hai, you can't go anywhere else.
Absolutely.
But it's just how you capitalize on it, how you monetize, how you take inspiration from it, from that feeling of loneliness. कहाँ आप avenues ढूंढते हो? You can only heal yourself. कोई आपको नहीं कर पाएगा.
That is so true.
No one can do it, not even a therapist.
Therapies and healing only happens when you're ready and you accept it. And that I think, जिस दिन खुद को पता होता है कि okay, it's time to grow, you will grow. And I love the fact. Red flags ना invisible होते हैं. Problem क्या हमारे सामने है, पर वो invisible होते हैं. हम उनको ऐसे नजरअंदाज करते चलते हैं. And I think that is a common thing in everybody. We know where we're going
Wrong, but
but we
yet,
still make that mistake.
but we should not, because people do not change. You
Yeah.
cannot change them.
Yeah.
And if you know that it's not working out for you now, it's never going to work out after marriage. Because after marriage, I think the person changes.
Yeah. Life changes.
Yeah.
Everything changes.
And after having a kid, it further takes another turn.
Yeah.
Trust me. I do not remember how I lived my life before having Noor. I just don't remember. I just keep on thinking मैं तो time waste करती थी. So
पर अब time नहीं है.
अब time नहीं है. And I used to think यार कभी value नहीं किया, कभी grateful ही नहीं था कि TV देखने को मिलता था. You know, that is like a luxury.
Yeah. With Tanya, this conversation can be on and on, but I would say Tansy Mommy, her page is a thing that you should not miss, especially अगर आप mom हो, parent हो, और वैसे भी जाके देखो, because she talks about a lot of things which I think वो pure content है, जिसको जब आप देखते हो तो अच्छा लगता है. Thank you for coming here. मतलब Tanya, I don't know. मतलब I'm really thankful because I just shot a message. मुझे नहीं पता था आप कैसे respond करोगे. I'm glad that you did and I'm glad you spoke.
Thank you so much for having me. Divya, you will not believe, but I really want to do something for single parents and for people who are going through this journey, going through a divorce. I get so many DMs on a daily basis where people are stuck in toxic marriages. They still can't come out.
Yes.
And they are financially independent. You see, I mean, they're well educated, independent, but they can't make that decision. And they're doing it, they're staying there, they're taking that disrespect. And I just want to help them in any way I can. And I just don't know how.
You know, there's somebody who said the same thing right here on the couch. ममता धानुका उनका नाम है. She said exactly this thing. And जब मैं अभी बना रही हूँ तो मैं ममता जी को thank you सिर्फ इसलिए बोलूँगी because हमारे वीडियो देख के a lot of women got in touch with her. She actually helped women get jobs. She's helped people emotionally and that community is just building.
So I really
Summer
also want to do this, and I've made communities like of single parents. I did do these social mixers for single parents so that they can meet each other and try to find someone new or find friends. So I'm trying what I can, but I'm just not getting that substantial thing to do. How to get them together because people are also not comfortable sharing everything.
Yes.
In a big group.
Yes.
Because that concept of support groups doesn't exist in our country.
Or maybe they will soon. Now that she said it, I'm here and you can also write in so that
Yes.
if there is a community that is needed. क्योंकि मैंने एक emotional safe space बनाने की शुरुआत की थी इससे क्योंकि मेरी journey थी. Now that I hear you have a different journey. We meet here. You never know. But you're always free to write in and give us ideas, give us suggestions. Would you want to meet us in smaller groups maybe? You never know. हम लोग दिल्ली गुड़गांव NCR में फिलहाल हैं. हम वो भी कर सकते हैं. So please write in. We will get back in touch with you. इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं. But thank you Tanya. This is a golden conversation and trust me मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इसको edit करूँगी हालांकि बहुत लंबी conversation है. But you're a great mom, a great speaker, a great content creator and a great woman. Great इसलिए क्योंकि आप हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छी कर रहे हो. अपनी vulnerability के साथ कर रहे हो और वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. So thank you.
Thank you, Divya.
Thank you for watching this. This is Incompletely Yours Season 2 and the journey goes on. Thank you for watching.